Happy Children's Day to all of you. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. The birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was celebrated as Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru was a great freedom fighter of India. Jawaharlal Nehru was a first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian barrister. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 at Prayagraj, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. His father was Motilal Nehru and mother was Swarup Rani. Jawaharlal Nehru was educated in England at Howard School and Trinity College, Cambridge, and trained in the law at Inner Temple. When he returned to India, enrolled at the Allahabad High Court and soon began to take an interest in national politics, which eventually became a full-time occupation. Nehru and the Congress dominated Indian politics during 1930s. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru married with Kamala Nehru and he has a child. Her name was Indira Gandhi. Upon India's independence on 15 August 1947, Nehru gave a critical acclaimed speech, Tryst with Destiny. He was sworn in as the domination of India's Prime Minister and raised the Indian flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. On 26th January 1950, when India became a republic within the Commonwealth of Nations, Nehru became the Republic of India's first Prime Minister. He embarked on an ambitious program of economic, social, and political reforms. Nehru promoted a pluralistic multi-party democracy. In foreign affairs, he played a leading role in establishing non-alignment movement, a group of nations that did not seek membership in the two main ideological blocs of the Cold War. Nehru was a prolific writer in English who wrote The Discovery of India, Glimpse of World History, an autobiography, and letters from a father to his daughter, all written in jail. He was awarded by highest civilian award of India, Bharat Ratna, in 1955. He was dead on 27th May 1964 at New Delhi. His Samadhi Asthal is known as Shanti One. He is known as Chacha Nehru. His famous slogan was Aram Haram Hai. So this is all about Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is very important video for students up to class 12. So thank you for listening and watching this video. I wishing you a very happy Children's Day to all of my students. Thank you.